Hello, good morning to all. And today we are discussing the remaining part of the unit earthquake resistance construction of masonry building. Today's topic is strengthening and restoration of masonry building, presented by Ramnivas Mill, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department in Jaipur Engineering College, Cocos, Jaipur. In this slide, what is the definition of restoration and why is the requirement of restoration for the masonry wall and masonry building. So first of all we will discuss about the restoration definition. It may be defined as resituation of the strength of the building has before the occurs of damage, or regain the strength of damaged part of a building, especially in masonry building. यानी इसका कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो आपकी किसी भी बिल्डिंग में अगर अर्थक्वेक फोर्स की वजह से अगर उसमें कोई भी पार्ट अगर डैमेज हो जाता है, उस डैमेज को वापस सही करना, उस डैमेज को वापस रीस्ट्रक्चर करना, उसमें रीस्ट्रेंथ वापस गेन करना, ये जो पार्ट है ये आपका रिस्टोरेशन कहलाता है. Now we are discussing about the why is the need of restoration. In the last slide I discuss to make sustain more strength and lateral strength and more durable in the future against to earthquake. Its mean strengthening is very important for the earthquake demolded building, because demolished building will be collapsed and various type of cracks may be produced due to the earthquake effect. So we want to repair this building for the living condition. So building's property should be must sustain more strength or resistance to lateral pressure on the building and more durable in future against the earthquake. Next, in this slide, it is achieved by रिस्टोरेशन कैसे किया जा सकता है और किस वे में कहाँ पे हो सकता है, इसके बारे में इसमें बताया गया है. इट इज़ अचीव बाई स्ट्रक्चर रिपेयर टू लोड वेरिंग एलिमेंट्स. इट इज़ अचीव बाई स्ट्रक्चरल रिपेयर्स टू लोड वेरिंग एलिमेंट्स. जैसे वॉल है, एग्जाम्पल के लिए वॉल है, कॉलम है, बीम है और फाउंडेशन है. एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट इज द it is also achieved by adding material, reinforcement mesh and injecting material and mortar. It's mean if column is column covered, a column is demolished, then we can use the reinforcement mesh and concreting. Various type method are using to strength and restoration of masonry wall. First is the shotcrete, second is grouting, third is the gouting. Now we are discussing about the first method, shotcrete. It is used to repair of fire and earthquake damage building and give to more strengthening to wall and steel for the fireproofing. Its repair of structural member. In this shotcrete, we will do the repair of structural members such as beam, column and connection. In this diagram, you can see the at the top pre-baked shotcrete material and various type of admixture are added in the batching and air compressor and in the pre-baked shotcrete material we use cement and sand and fine particles are used in the shotcrete material, and it may be shotcrete can be classified in two parts: dry shotcrete and wet shotcrete. In this diagram you are seeing the dry material shotcrete. Why? You can see in the pre-baked shotcrete material machine are not allowed to mix water. In this diagram you can see the shotcrete gun, the dry material are spray on the reinforcement steel by the nozzle, and water supply is have a separate line. This is the dry, and second is the wet shotcrete. In this wet shotcrete, water supply have a no separate line. Water, cement, sand and fine particles will be prepared in pre-baked concrete material machine, and for the pressure air compressor are used. And in this diagram, what is the main difference between wet and dry shotcrete? In the dry shotcrete, we mix the cement, sand and fine aggregates, but water supply will by a separated line, and wet shotcrete. In this method of shotcrete, we will mix water with the cement, sand and fine aggregates and supply by the shotcrete gun or through to nozzle on the remolded for the remolding and damaged member of the building. On the reinforcement, it is the outer apply. It is only outer apply. Material is spray a high speed on the surface of the reinforcement steel. Reinforcement steel, it may have a mesh. Next part will be discussed. It is just short notes about the shotcrete. Shotcrete is the method that apply concrete, cement, sand with water and projected at high velocity, primarily and vertical or overhang surface of damaged part in a building. Thank you.